Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia, Spain. Here we have Mediterranean climate, winter rainfall, things are turning green. I'm wandering around and I become the wander fool. I realize I know almost nothing. Here we have very little vegetation, and then let me turn around 1 meter further, a lot. So why? It looks like it might have something to do with soil fertility or drainage or sunlight. Maybe it's sheltered from the wind, maybe even a microclimate. Anyway, I will not understand, but I'm happy that it is here. This area we call the golf course. It looks like it has been mowed. And here we find lots of moss. And then very short plants amongst them. This whole area. Again, why? Drainage, compaction, acidity. Okay, maybe one day I will know. Here in the garden we have strawberries. This is November. Why? Is this just a mild winter? Or is the strawberry a day neutral plant? Is it just an extension of the season? Maybe it doesn't matter. I must just enjoy them. Strawberries. The last week or so we regularly have lots of Egyptian vultures, and about 10 of them resting, nesting, hopefully in the trees. What do they want from this area? What do they get from this area? Acorns, yes. But looks like they also feed on birds and eggs and vegetables and fruit and whatever they can get. Good for them. I must just get the dogs to leave them alone like they leave the cat alone. That will also help. Now the biggest wonder I have is I have planted so much of these rye and oats, and they grew extremely well all over the farm. They produce lots of seed heads. Where are these seeds and why are they not germinating? Anyway, they can be with the ants, but still they should germinate. There's nothing here on the berms. It breaks my head. Where are these millions of seeds? Why do I have to seed more? Why can I not see the sprouting seeds from what I have seeded. Nothing. Not in the swale, not on the berm, not next to it. One day I will understand. Till next time, goodbye.